In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Binance wallet in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with digital currencies, following along should be straightforward. Managing your cryptocurrency with a Binance wallet is an essential step for anyone looking to dive into the world of digital assets. First, let's head over to Binance.com. If you're brand new to Binance, you'll need to sign up for an account. Simply click the Register button and you'll be prompted to enter either your email address or phone number. This is a key first step as it sets the foundation for accessing and protecting your digital assets. Next, you'll be guided through a registration process where you'll be asked to set up your password. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password, combining letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance your account security. This is crucial because the protection of your financial information starts with a solid password. Once you've completed this step, log into your account. Binance prioritizes security, and you may be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication setup, commonly referred to as 2FA. This provides an additional layer of security by requiring a second form of identification beyond your password. It might involve getting a code sent to your phone or using an authenticator app. Taking that few extra seconds for 2FA is worth the peace of mind it brings. Now that you're logged in, navigate your way to the top right corner of the page and click on Wallet. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Fiat and Spot. This section of the Binance platform is where all the action happens. Once there, you'll see that your Binance wallet has already been created for you. This option is seamless because as soon as you have a Binance account, you automatically have access to your wallet. There's no separate sign-up or activation necessary. Your wallet is essentially your dashboard. It displays your balances and is where you can manage your deposits and withdrawals. To summarize, once you've signed up and logged in at Binance.com, you already have your wallet in place. The wallet allows you to manage your cryptocurrencies conveniently, track your financial activities, and make transactions as smooth and secure as possible. If you followed these steps, congratulations. You now have a Binance wallet. You're ready to embark on your cryptocurrency journey with one of the most popular platforms available. Check your balances and explore how you can start trading or holding different cryptocurrencies. Remember, security is key, so always use strong passwords and 2FA to protect your account. Good luck and happy trading.